Alrighty, let me start by saying what the actual fuck is wrong with you guys, because the views on this video has been more than anything that I posted in past one single month. Is it because I had Subway Surfers playing right here? And if that's the case, you definitely need to stay away from your phones. Anyhow, I have something really interesting to tell you this week, and I would really appreciate if you have a nice cup of coffee with you, because it's gonna be a good ride. Microsoft is heavily cutting down on AI. Do you know what this means? They think and they've said the cost of actually their developers and other people at their company using AI is exceeding far more than what they could save if they would just hire employees. This came right after Microsoft allowed and opened up their employees to a seamless world of AI where they could be using any agent that they want, whether it be Claude, Codex, or Gemini, but of course with the help of Microsoft Foundry. I'm so happy with this news. I'm gonna be running naked on the streets today. Now, what is Microsoft Foundry? Imagine this. Microsoft realized people are uncertain and they will not stick to any AI software or any AI agent as long as the competitor provides a better price and a better function. So what did they do? They opened up Microsoft Foundry. It does a simple thing. You want an AI model? Instead of hitting Anthropic or OpenAI, you hit the Azure servers. You choose the AI agent you want. You hit the Azure server with your request. Those Azure servers have OpenAI, Gemini, Claude model running on top of them. They process your request and then they return back an answer. You know what this means? Satya Nadella saved Microsoft. Their ideology is like, we don't care who wins the AI race as long as they use our servers for it. Now listen to this crazy AI bubble and these firms sucking each other's dicks and forming a cult. Microsoft Foundry deal, which includes them investing up to $5 billion in Anthropic and giving Foundry customers access to Claude Code, as well as Anthropic would be investing $30 billion to purchase the Azure compute capacity, according to The Verge. So in one way, Microsoft invests in Anthropic, and in other way, Anthropic invests back in Microsoft. What the fuck? But hold up, Microsoft isn't the only company who's cutting down on AI supplies. Uber CTO Praveen Napali told The Information in April that the firm had already burnt through its entire 2026 AI budget in just 4 months. Do you see what's happening? Do you really see it? Everyone is an Indian now. What this joke means is there was a time when everybody said there was an Indian developer out there who could do it for cheaper. Now we can say there is an actual developer out there who can do it for cheaper in comparison to these AI agents. So there you go. Over-explained joke. Not only this, Goldman Sachs recently forecasted that agentic AI could increase the token consumption by 24-fold by the year 2030, reaching a staggering 120 quadrillion tokens a month. And do you know what's the base standard today? The trajectory of token consumption at Google currently looks something like this. May 2024, 9.7 trillion tokens a month. May 2025, 480 trillion tokens a month. May 2026, 3.2 quadrillion tokens a month. So I'm not shocked, but a research from Gartner found that by 2030, inference cost of 1 trillion parameter model would be costing 90% less than what it is costing right now. And just for reference, OpenAI's flagship model is having these many parameters for now. But since we are moving towards an agentic AI workflows, an agentic AI costs 40 times more than what a normal AI workflow costs. So whilst your average token cost is going to reduce, your consumption is going to also increase by a huge fold, which means as the workflows get stronger and more agentic workflows are adopted, that 40x could grow to 1000x, and the increased consumption could outperform the lowered unit costs. And AI providers won't fully pass down the lower cost to the consumers. Alright, we learned 3 things today. First, AI isn't a hype anymore. It has to be accepted by the folks and it has to be implemented by us in our daily systems. Second, software developers are back. They are so back, baby. I'm actually pretty gassed up about this. Third, I advise you to invest in a good PC or a Mac Mini perhaps. Make sure you have a local LLM model running on it, approximately to Opus 4.6 or Codex 5.5, something very close to that. So that in the future, when these AI companies remove their subsidized rates from their tokens, or when the inference price goes too high, we can just rely on that and learn how to code. Because it's going to be important. With the help of 4.6 or Codex 5.5, you can make really great applications, but you still need to know how to code. And that will be my time, folks. I'll see you in the next week.